Hi! In this video, we'll learn how to add a button to your store's navigation menu that allows students to access all the courses they've purchased. Open the app dashboard. At the top of the page, you will see a list of instructions. Click the arrow to expand it. Select How to Add Menu Item for Courses. In the expanded instructions, copy the first link. Click the Content Menus link. Select Main Menu, click Add Menu Item, enter a name for the new menu button and paste the link you copied earlier. Save the changes. That's it. Your students will now be able to click the new menu button in your store and open the page containing all their purchased courses. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorials.